Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Gmail application is not working problem. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your Play Store and then go to search bar and type for Gmail. And now open your Gmail and you need to check out your Gmail is updated or not. There you can see Gmail apps is already updated. So make sure your Gmail application is updated. So then you need to move for second step. So what is second step? Just go to your phone settings and you need to find out apps or apps management option. There you can see there have the option for apps. Open it, then go to manage apps, then you need to find out Gmail. Where is Gmail? There you can see this is Gmail. Just open it, then on the bottom you can see option clear data. Select it, then select clear cache, then OK. That's it. Now you can see your Gmail is working now, and your Gmail is not working problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.